We want to bring in Jerry now with an update on what's coming our way. We have a 10 weather impact alert for tomorrow and Sunday, but for very different reasons.
Yeah, it's all related in the sense that we're seeing the winter storm coming in. Front end of that, a lot of snow tomorrow. We're going to break it down for you hour by hour. Shovels, brooms, brushes, snow plows, all the things. We talked about those for a couple of days. Then into Sunday, once that storm exits, we might see a couple leftover snow showers or flurries on Sunday, but the real impact is going to be if you get up early in the morning, wind chills below zero. So, yeah, I think the challenge, we've all seen and experienced larger snowfalls, but I think the problem is twofold. One, it's going to come over a long period of time, 8, maybe 10 hours tomorrow. And then once that you think the crews are getting ahead of it, then it's going to have a struggle with the wind and the cold temperatures. So here we're breaking it down for you, back-to-back 10 weather impact alerts tomorrow afternoon, evening, and tomorrow night into your Sunday morning for the snow first, and then the bitter cold and the wind. Wind chills below zero on Sunday morning. And I mentioned it before, of course, always a proponent of being ready and also staying connected, especially tomorrow. So not on regular newscast the entire day, but we will be connected by way of the 10 TV mobile app and 10 TV Plus. So keep those things in mind. Download them now while things are calm and tranquil. And even tomorrow morning, we'll have an opportunity before things really start to ramp up. Right now, we're anticipating the storm coming. And we had a decent amount of sunshine today. Went out and walked the dogs this afternoon. A little breezy, but it was dry. I kind of took advantage of that before I came into work, and hopefully have the chance to do the same. If you have plans this evening, keep them. If you have things to do tomorrow morning, no problem. And that start time of the snow will make tomorrow afternoon dicey, but the first half of the day should be just fine. We're 34 right now. We still have a light breeze about southeast, 5 miles an hour, pushing the wind chill down a little bit to 29, but that's bearable this time of the year. Then we're focusing on the next 12 hours. Watch temperatures drop to around 30 degrees. That's not bad. We're going to go a few degrees colder into the upper 20s tomorrow morning, but still a dry, a cloudy, and a relatively calm start to the day. Then we're flipping that around, and once we get onto the snow, watch a couple things happen. We're going to keep that snow going, and I'll give you more details in a moment. But after lunch, all through the afternoon, evening, and at the same time, temperatures are dropping, winds are picking up, so that combination, falling temperatures, falling snow, and increasing winds are going to create problems well into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Here's the latest weather model going hour by hour starting tomorrow morning after sunrise. Yeah. Might catch a couple of flakes off toward the north of Delaware and Mount Vernon. That's just kind of before the storm. Notice at noon, a couple areas are not going to get the snow initially around Marion, Mount Gilead, Mansfield, and then southeast near McConnellsville and Athens. Columbus, London, and Circleville and counties south and west. At noon, it's going to be snowing. Everybody gets in on the action in the next 3 hours between noon and 3. And it looks like a light to moderate snow, a prolonged snow event going through the afternoon and through the evening. Not really until 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock do we see the back edge moving through. But about the time the snow is tapering off, especially south and east of I-71, then we're really going to see those winds picking up with some leftover snow showers, just kind of adding insult to injury for the second half of the night. Here are the latest snow totals. Now remember, it's going to start snowing a little later off toward the north around Bucyrus and Marion, and snow a little longer into the evening south and east. This is tomorrow, let's say noon to 12, just over that 12-hour period. So generally speaking, around a 2 to 3 inch snowfall to the north, and 4 to 5 inches plus. Would not be surprised when things are said and done to see a few of those rulers. We're getting around 6 inches of snow in the southeastern parts of the viewing area. Let's get you there. 31 tomorrow, falling through the evening. 10 weather impact alert for the second half of the day into your Sunday morning, not because of snow, but because of that bitter cold wind chill below zero. Monday, cold but dry. Tuesday, cold, dry, 32 for a high. Around 40 with rain possible Thursday, and we should dry it out on Friday, but back to 31.